friends, today we are going to discuss on investments. In investment we have a share investment, bonds investment, government investment, securities and long-term deposits. These are the basic investment that once you start getting a very good business in any organization, they start investing in a multiple way. So first and foremost, we'll share, they buy the share with a different company. Let's say that Wipro is selling a share, we'll definitely buy, right, as a company. So we have to select investment here. Investment, and what is that you are investing. And second one is bonds. Sometimes government also sells the bonds, we can buy bond paper from the government also. So what is that you are investing on the bond paper. Next is government securities. Government security, that is also an investment, some amount randomly I'm putting. Next is long-term bank deposit. Long-term bank deposit like FD, they will get a interest in return, so always they invest in a multiple way, right? So that's all for the day. Let's continue our next session, that is bank OD. Bank OD is a loan, right? We'll discuss that in the next session. Thank you.